Buck was stolen from his home in California and sent all the way to Alaska. What a long trip! First, he rode on a train. Then, he rode on a ship. Finally, he reached Alaska and was sold to a man named Perot. Did Buck spend more time on the train or on the ship? Let's figure it out. Let's start by making a bar graph frame. Next, we are going to label the line that goes up and down. This line is called the y-axis. The y-axis has numbers on it. Now we are going to label the line that goes across. This line is called the x-axis. The x-axis is flat. It has the names of things that we want to compare, or graph. On this graph, we have train and ship. Next, we need a name for our bar graph. Let's call it Buck's Trip to Alaska. Let's go over the numbers and information that we want to use. Numbers and information like this are called data. Buck traveled 9 days by train. Buck traveled 16 days by ship. Now we can put this information, our data, on the bar graph. Let's start with Buck's travels by train. He traveled 9 days on the train, so the bar goes up to 9. Buck spent 16 days traveling by ship, so the bar goes up to 16. Look at the bars. The bar for the ship is the tallest. Buck spent more time traveling by ship. The bar for the train is the shortest. Buck spent fewer days traveling by train. Bar graphs make it easy to see and understand our data. Buck spent more time traveling on the ship than he did traveling on the train. I wonder if dogs get seasick.